Okay, whoops. Hold up. Bro. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. Okay, guys. We're gonna be doing something different. We're gonna be doing a unboxing of a figurine. Here we have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre one. Very nice, very nice. No, that's kind of showing a little bit. Let me check. Whoops. Running low on battery. I almost showed a bit of my skin. Hold up. Put these gloves in a bit, or stuff them a bit. I ain't doing a race. Well, I already did a race reveal, but I ain't showing you guys my skin color yet. Okay. Let me just push these in. Hold up. Okay. Now, I actually got these figurines because when I graduated, I got a $100, well, figurines I just spoiled. So, yeah, that's bad. Shingwar, you can see this, right? Yeah, I got a $100 Best Buy gift card from my uncle. Let's see, you can see, very nice, very nice. Here it is. Let's get another shot. Ooh, nice, nice. Ooh. Very nice. So let's open this up now. So we got this WW, and I'll come back when we are done, when we open. Okay, we have now opened it out of the box. We're gonna now do the figurines. Okay, we have unlocked the figures. So, as you can see, it's very nice, very nice. Now, one thing I do like is the attention to detail. You see how he has a little we can, unless the camera focuses, but you can see, oh my god, it's not focusing. As you can see, there's an injury right here on his leg. Now, at the end of the first movie, he actually cuts his leg with his own chainsaw, so it's very nice to see him. Very nice. Now, I can't get his mask on, but if you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little, you can kind of see what's under his mask. I'm scared to take his mask off, because I think it might break the figure. But, let's see. Let me put this on. Let me move the camera. Okay, so as you can see, you can move really nice, very nicely. How far can his head turn? His head can turn 180 waves, very nice. I won't do that a lot. His feet can bend it this far. Very nice, very nice. His hands can move, do 180s, very nice. He is kind of stiff. I would give him on a stiffer side. That might be because he's a bit out of shape. His arms, you can move like this. Very nice, very nice. And his torso moves slightly. He moves slightly. Let's see with him with the accessories now. Accessories. He can hold his hammer, his cleaver, and a little knife that's actually kind of sharp. I almost pricked myself on it. This is him with his chainsaw, his iconic chainsaw. Very nice, very nice. Now we're gonna put his other coat on him and see how it looks like. This is his. Oh my god. This is him with his other coat on. How's he look? How's he look? He looks good. Now I'm gonna put him. No, we have some accessories too, like this food. Yummy, yummy. And this possum. Not possum. I forgot what they're called. Can't really do much. It's very stationary, but the tail is nice to mess around with. This is the final pose for him, I guess. He's holding his chainsaw. I got armadillo or whatever they call it, Arthur over there. See, I told you he can't stand up on his own very well. Okay, well, that's going to be the end of today's video. Tell me if you guys want more reviews for this. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.